You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. And yes, you've perhaps guessed it. Have you? Those have the exact same pronunciation. Different spelling, different meaning, but pronounced the same way. For more learning videos like this one, stay tuned to the channel. They're both pronounced as toes. So the top word, T-O-E-S, that's the spelling, is the plural of the word toe, a toe. The fingers that you have on your feet are toes. The bottom word is the verb to tow, as in towing a caravan. For example, towing a trailer with a car. Tow. The third person, as in the car tows the trailer. Tows. Note that both of those have a Z sound, a Z sound, Z at the end. You could spell them T-O-W-Z. Toes. Toes. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.